Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we had a nice drop in the metals, a nice little pullback there. And yeah, I did go to the coin shop today instead of Friday. Made my purchase today. I did not buy extra. And I'm going to talk a bit about the price drop here, and yeah, if you like fun videos on gold and silver, please like, share, subscribe. I do upload videos basically every single morning. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button if you do want the regular content. But yeah, are starting to see the metals move down with the markets. Gold and silver had a nice drop today. The Dow Jones, though, that dropped 950 points. And if I didn't buy anything extra because I could see a sell-off on Friday. I find in times of extreme volatility, which any other year this would be considered extreme volatility. I find a lot of the traders, not so much investors, but traders like to close out their positions on Fridays. They don't want to hold anything over the weekend. That's what a lot of traders do, believe it or not. If you are an investor, if you're not an investor, that's just something that a lot of people do. I don't do that myself. I invest, I stack, I don't really trade. I'm not saying I hold all my assets forever. If I have a company it gets overvalued, I sell it. I buy and sell value when it comes to stocks. With silver and gold, this is my money. That's my savings, that's my money. That's just kind of how it works with me. But yeah, with me seeing a sell-off coming on Friday, I chose not to buy anything extra, still buy the same amounts, because it didn't really go down that much. When I first started talking about holding off on and stacking normal, it was basically this price and went up a little bit. So I don't really think that, I'm gonna miss out if I don't buy right now. I don't feel that way at all. I feel like I've spent like Iverson at this price already. So I'm still stacking as normal. I got 5 maples. 2 $half. As I said, I'm stacking for weight. I'm not really stacking for this or this or this, and as you can see, I bought the cheapest maples I could. I got the cheapest silver I could find. You can see how it's all milk spotted down on the bottom there. I don't really care though, I'm buying silver. That's all that I'm really after. Every single one of them. You can see how it's all milk spotted. I really don't care, I'm just buying silver. When it's under $25 an ounce, I'm really just stacking. That's all I'm doing. I'm getting the best deal on the best coin that I can, or the best round or bar or whatever that I can. Maples are the best for me because I'm in Canada. I could see the dip going, if you could really call it a dip. It's been at this price for a while, but I see it going a bit lower than this temporarily, but not lasting long at those prices, just as it did in March. So when you have people selling off metals, if there are margin calls, How long do you think they're going to sell them off for? Until the markets stop falling. Then metals go right back up to where they were. And because there was a huge demand for them, premiums go up at the same time, so buy fast. That's what I did in March. I'm very happy I did. I bought down when it was like $12 an ounce before the premiums went up because I raced to the coin shop that day. It went down on the Friday. By Monday, it would have been too late. Premiums would have skyrocketed. You would have missed out. Like, I see the markets going down low, but I can't say for sure what's going to happen. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a random guy on the internet. I did buy a company today on the TSX. I'm pretty happy about it. I do believe it's going to go lower. But I see it valued very appropriately. I see it going undervalued here. But I can't say for sure what's going to happen. So I bought it. It's not too often you find great companies that are valued appropriately. Might as well buy a meaningful amount. That's at least my attitude. When silver is undervalued, you gotta buy meaningful amounts. That's my personal opinion. When gold's undervalued, you have to buy meaningful amounts. Back in March, before the premiums went up, when we were on that dip, I had to get 2 ounces of gold. Because you know what's coming next. You know that people aren't selling gold all the time. But I mean, how do you not buy gold when there's margin calls which you know the answer? First question is, how much stimulus? Not will there be stimulus. You already knew the answer is yes. You already knew bailouts is the answer. They already did that. That's already the way the monetary system works. That's why we have low interest rates. It's a perpetual bailout system, essentially. It's kind of ridiculous. There's a lot more to it than that. But I'd love to make a video on interest rates. Please leave a comment down below if you guys do want to see that. But I could really see the markets falling apart here. When it's dropping over 900 points, almost 950, that's a huge drop. I could see margin calls happening which will cause people to liquidate their metals to pay off the banks because they invested on margin. Another reason to buy metals and save, though, if you do invest, you have the money set aside. You could always liquidate on your own terms, buy on your own terms, sell on your own terms. I don't invest on margin at all myself. I'm a stacker, so you guys know I'm a saver. I don't really take out loans or anything like that, as you guys know. But yeah, it basically sums up the video. Just me thinking that the metals could go lower based on if the markets continue to crash. But hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to take advantage if that happens. I will celebrate it. I will have zero fear of it staying at that price or anything at all. I hope you guys do too. But yeah, stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.